Hi folks, today we're going to do a pretty short little video. It's a little how-to video on how I prep my baits before priming when they come in. I usually use a rubbing alcohol, but I can't get hold of rubbing alcohol right now. This hand sanitizer is a Levec product. It's 80% alcohol, and it has nothing else added. It's just pretty much alcohol. So I use alcohol, paper towel, and all that I do is I start wiping that bait down good. All I'm trying to do is get any kind of residue off of this bait that could be on it to get it toward the process of priming. And so I just scrub them down just like that right there, because you know natural oils comes out of people's hands. They come out of everything anymore, especially factories where these are made. You know, you got old machines everywhere and everything else. So I really just, this is the way that I like to do it, and I just wipe that thing down very good, even get inside them eye sockets and roll that thing up and down, folks. So please remember to like, subscribe, and share to my channel. Hit that notification bell. Tell all your buddies. Y'all have a blessed day, and I'll catch you later.